Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with an updated version for 2025 for our favorite hiatal hernia exercises. So I'm gonna update these. Some of them may be the same, but these are all updated. But the most important thing to know and understand before you start these exercises are not meant to fix the hiatal hernia. Some of you may find absolute relief right away from doing these, but the majority of you won't. So what you do is you want to pull the hiatal hernia down first, and then after a few weeks of doing that, then you can go ahead and start these exercises and you're going to get the most bang for your buck. And the only way to pull the hiatal hernia down is to go to a chiropractor who knows how to do the technique, or just go to www.refluxshield.com. It's a patented device that I developed so you can do it easily at home. Now here's my favorite 10 best hiatal hernia exercises.
Place a foam roll across the floor. Lie back with the foam roll running across the level of your spine that you would like to stretch. Wrap your hands around the back of your head to support the weight. Ensure you do not pull your head forward, keep it in line with the rest of your spine. Inhale, then as you exhale allow your body to relax over the foam roll. Hold this position in a stretch, continuing to focus on your breathing. Lie on your back with your legs elevated on a chair or bed. Your hips should be at 90 degrees, as should your knees. Ensure your head is well supported so that you can relax in this position. Place your hands on your abdomen, either side of your belly button. The focus of this exercise is your breathing and diaphragmatic movement. Breathe in. Imagine the air filling down to the bases of your lungs and round to the back of your rib cage. As you steadily inhale, you should feel your belly rise into your hands. Breathe out. Imagine the air being pushed from the base and back of your lungs as it moves further up and finally out of your mouth. As you exhale you should feel your belly relax down again. Continue this movement, focusing on your belly rising up as you inhale, and relaxing back down as you exhale. Do not allow the bottom of your ribs or your back to push upwards as you inhale. Lie on your back with knees bent. Place a small weight on your abdomen. Keep your neck and shoulders relaxed. Breathe in towards your abdomen. Feel how the weight rises. Feel your lower chest expanding sideways and backwards. Breathe out and feel how the weight lowers. Notice a small gap between inhale and exhale. Relax into the breathing cycle. Sit upright on a stability ball with your feet flat on the floor. Ensure the ball is against a wall. Gently slide forwards until you are sitting on the floor with your back against the gym ball. Place both of your hands behind your head and feel yourself relax backwards into the gym ball. Relax your breathing in this position. Sit upright in a chair. Place a long towel around the bottom part of your rib cage. Hold each end in both hands. Pull the towel tightening your rib cage while breathing out. Slowly release the towel while breathing in. Repeat the movement. Take a slightly deeper than normal breath. Use your stomach muscles to make a series of 3 rapid exhalations with the airway open, making a ha, ha, ha sound. Follow this by controlled diaphragmatic breathing and a deep cough if you feel mucus moving. Sit up straight in a chair with your weight through your seat bones, your shoulders relaxed back and down, and your hands resting gently in your lap. Focus on steady breathing throughout this sequence of exercises. To activate your pelvic floor, you should try to contract your anus, vagina and urethra inward and upward. You can imagine that you are trying to pull a zipper closed with your pelvic floor from the bottom up. You should feel a lift within your pelvis. You might also feel a gentle tightening of the muscles low down in your abdomen. For strength, hold this position for 5 seconds, then relax. For power, perform 10 quick squeezes. For endurance, tighten your pelvic floor as much as you can. Then ease off so you are working at around 50% of its effort. Then hold it for 20 seconds or more. Sit in a chair with your hands on your knees. Move forward so your sitting bones are at the front of the chair and move to a hunched seated position with your shoulders slightly forward. Roll forward on your sitting bones and stretch yourself through your spine, pushing the shoulders back. Open your feet and knees. Place your hands at the top of your thighs, palms up. Breathe in deeply, concentrating on the air coming in into your body. Breathe in through your nose, concentrating on the air moving down through windpipe and into the diaphragm. As you breathe out, relax totally and try not use any muscles. Let the elasticity of your chest push the air out. Breathe in again using the diaphragm and tummy, and exhale using the elasticity of the chest only. Continue on for 2 more cycles. Return to the starting position. Lie down on your tummy and place your hands under your shoulders. Lift your chest up off the floor by push down through your hands, arching your lower back. Tighten your buttock muscles so that your hips stay on the floor. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands underneath your shoulders. Maintain your elbows near to your ribcage and keep your shoulders down throughout the movement. Rest the top of your feet down into the floor and relax your legs. Press through your hands and lift your head and upper body, opening your chest and allowing your spine to arch into the Cobra position. Breathe in while arching your spine and breathe out while returning in starting position.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.